Let's have a really quick chat about possible outcomes with Bitcoin and some other assets. This is the layout I mostly use for investing. At the bottom, I have the 1, 2, 3 weeks and 1 month chart. And at the top, I have the 5, 6, 7 weeks and the 2 months chart. When I look at this chart, the first thing that I see is this lovely mega support and resistance flip point at 70K. As a possibility, I should consider that Bitcoin may fall back to this area in the worst case. So in my opinion, this is a nice large area to start building some positions. Really small entries to build ourselves a some average. This is what I started to do. You see how simple it is to build a manageable quick investing model. Nothing complicated here. On the other hand, the Ethereum chart looks more like a rubbish. Nothing beautiful about this ugly chart. What I see is this overall BPR area with 1 and 2 weeks interesting to fill up. It would be nice to build some positions inside this area. But in my opinion, Ethereum is the crybaby at the moment. And it does not interest me so much with this ugly looking chart. I want to talk about Solana. Solana is one of my most favorite coins. I probably made the most money in my life with Solana. I've been trading and investing in Solana for years. Furthermore, I just took some juicy profits with the recent all-time high records around $250. At the moment, Solana hit this nice support and resistance point area and filled the weekly imbalance, as you can see. As a money cycler, with the taken profits, I already started making small entries inside this area. The only danger I can see is these deep BPR points and areas at the $70 price levels. It is just for the worst case scenario. This is why I want to allocate my money slowly for the Solana. I want to hold my cash for every possible crash levels. Last and least, the Tesla. I get so many questions about Tesla, and as a big Tesla investor, I will share my opinions. In my opinion, Tesla is already overpriced. Great points to take some profits around. This SR flip point area, which is over $250 levels, could be the deepest crash levels for the future in the Tesla. So, what would I do? I would allocate my cash slowly, really slowly in this area and slowly build my positions with each small crashes until $250 levels. This is a really simple and a basic strategy for cost averaging. You see, finding investing levels is quite an easy job. But what's the problem? Biggest mistake that people do, they generally use all their cash at once and buy at the top of the rallies. What you need to do is slowly allocate your money into the system by considering deeper price levels. This is one of the most simple and usable investing strategy that you can ever find. Okay friends, see you next time and please take care. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.